We're going to be prepping for NFP, the capital hungry way, powered by market. This report will be very important as it will lock in a September cut. Powell has already tilted more dovish, but if this report comes out weak, the markets may even price in further cuts. We're going to break it down into three main scenarios.
Scenario 1. NFP comes out in line with forecast around 70 to 80,000 and UER around 4.2 or 4.3. This is the most neutral case, likely bringing the smallest market reaction. It would keep expectations the same with no major changes to rate cut odds. Expect the dollar to remain pretty flat after maybe some downside movements as the labor market remains soft. Risky assets like SPX and US 30 would see liquidity grabs or spikes, but would hold firm as rate cut odds remain, and gold would continue bullish after the noise and dust settles.
Scenario 2 is a lower than forecast reading, and this is where things get tricky as the labor market continues to weaken. Markets will price in 2 to 3 cuts for the year and not just for September. Risk assets will dip to better buy zones but get bought back up as more easing is priced in. The dollar will continue to weaken on that weaker reading, and gold will see a lot more demand, possibly into new highs depending on pricing. But keep in mind, if next week's CPI runs hot, there is a risk of stagflation.
Scenario 3. NFP comes out higher than forecast. A strong print could change things, but it would not hold enough weight to cancel the September cut. Markets would adjust to 1 or 2 cuts this year. Dollar would see short-term upside depending on the print. Risky assets would see pullbacks for better buy zones, and gold would see even deeper pullbacks from profit taking into the weekend.
Now personally, I'm leaning towards an on forecast print with NFP even coming out a bit above that. But if I'm wrong, I will be adaptive, and that's where market comes in, because not only does it map out every scenario for you, it even gives you real-time analysis when the numbers hit. So stay informed and stay ahead with mrktedge.ai.